welcome back to my channel. My name is Janani. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these polymer clay hoop earrings. For this project, I'll be using these colors of polymer clay and an extruder. The extruder I'll be using will be linked down at the description box. To create a slight marble effect, I first rolled a thick snake using my white clay. And for my leftover colors, I am rolling really thin snakes that are various thicknesses and adding it to my white snake. All the tools and supplies I'll be using on this tutorial will be linked in the description box. Once I have all my colors added, I'll be twisting the snake and then roll it into a bowl and mix it. You can repeat this step as much as you would like until you get the marbled effect. When I'm satisfied with my marbled effect, I rolled it into a log and insert it into my extruder. I'm going to be using this circle die in my extruder and extrude a long snake. I'm going to be cutting two pieces that are about 3.5 inches. To shape these pieces into a hoop shape, I'll be using this circle cookie cutter. What's good about this cookie cutter is that you can put it in the oven just like that, so it will hold the shape. To create the next style, I extruded this long snake using a much more smaller die, and then I folded the snake in half and twisted it. Next, I cut 3.5 inches long strips, and then using the same cookie cutter, I shaped it into a hoop and put it in the oven. I baked both of these earrings for about 1 hour in the oven at 225 Fahrenheit. When the earrings are baked and cooled down, I used a sandpaper that is 400 grit to sand off any imperfections. To attach my earring posts, I use some liquid clay. To make it nicer and stronger, I added a little bit of clay around the post and blended it into the rest of the earring. I repeated this step with my other earrings as well, and then pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes more. When the earrings are nice and cooled down, I finish it off with the matte varnish. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for joining with me today. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.